What's going on, guys? I wanted to show you how I show up to almost every job now. I started doing this a little different because I just noticed I was making a lot of trips back and forth to the car. So now what I do is I bring this rolling cart and backpack inside with me on every single job. So let me just kind of briefly show you what's in there. So I'm gonna pull the backpack off. We're not gonna do a big review or anything. It's just going to be to kind of get you guys an idea of how I do this, and it really makes things nice and convenient. So I do keep the multi-tool in there with a couple blades and a battery for it, and then I do also keep my heavy duty impact. Recently I've added this this impact drill with a number 2. It stays in there for the most part, and this drill for just if I need to basically mount a TV, I can get some pilot holes going, things like that. And then I keep my Klein tool pouch with all my most used and most liked tools. I'll probably do an updated video on that. And then over here I have like my vacuum attachments, like a speed square, stud finders, a little level, got a hammer over here, just all my most used tools that goes in here, so that way I'm not running to the car constantly. And then just briefly show you what's in here. Hasn't changed a whole lot, but make this kind of quick. So in here I just got a bunch of different tools as well, like some better, or not better, but different kinds of wire strippers. Got some different wrenches and pliers, snips. I got my sockets in there. And then in the front I got some different electrical stuff. I got my circuit finder kit. I got a multimeter, got some pencils and screwdrivers, Allen wrenches, that kind of thing. So this has really helped become more efficient, not making so many trips. I can also, if I bring additional Packouts, I can just stack them on, and I can get in and out of that job site a heck of a lot quicker. So if you like today's video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.